Dear learners, welcome to my channel English with Rafia ma'am. How are you everyone? I hope you are well, and I am also well by the grace of Allah. In today's class, I am going to teach you about transformation of sentence. That means changing sentence. But you have to keep in mind, though it is changing sentence, you have to change it without changing meaning. You can change just the structure. That means structurally you will change it, but you cannot change the meaning. If you change the meaning, then you will tell false. So keep it in mind more and more. You will change just without changing meaning. Okay? In today's class, we will show a board question, and board question of JSC Dhaka Board 2019. Okay, though it is for class 6, 7, JSC, SSC and HSC. But you know, for SSC and HSC, there are more things like simple compound complex and like degree, another thing. Okay, in today's class, we will see just very simply. Okay, now let's start. Here we see, don't look down upon the poor. Here you see, don't look down upon. That means not look down. That means look below. This is not look below or look under. This is not treat anyone insult. Not treat anyone negatively. Okay. So you have told here, don't look down upon the poor, and you have to change it in passive. That means you have to change voice. It is in active voice and you have to change it in passive voice. And look at the sentence very carefully. Here you see, don't look down upon the poor. That means the formation of sentence is it assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative or exclamatory? Tell me. Of course, this is about imperative sentence, because you here say at first verb. Okay? You didn't see here any subject or anything else. As it starts with verb, so this is imperative sentence. And for changing voice in imperative sentence, you know, as there is no subject, so you have to start it with the letter, with the word let. Okay, so give let at first, and after that think, don't look. That means this is negative. Don't. As this is negative, so you have to add here negative sense. That means you have to add here not. Let not. And now look over the sentence. Here you see, look down upon. This is verb. And after that you see the poor. And this is object. And you know, for changing voice, object comes first. So now give the object. Let not the poor. And here this is subject. Okay, and you know, after subject you have to use auxiliary verb, but here you see there is no any auxiliary verb for imperative sentence. So what will be here? You know, uncommon thing here, be. Just be. Here be will help us. Okay, so now write down be. And after that, you know, you have to give the main verb. And you know, for changing voice, always the main verb will be in past participle form. Yes. So what is the past participle form of look? You know, the past participle form of look is looked. And after that, you write down upon. This is preposition and there will be no any change here. So our answer is, let not the poor be looked down upon. Okay, understand everyone? Thank you. Okay, next you see, suddenly I noticed a very nice deer. Suddenly I noticed. Here you see, this is in for past tense. Okay, and what you have to do? Interrogative. That means you have to ask something, and for changing the sentence, an assertive sentence in interrogative sentence, you have to make it, if the sentence is in affirmative form, then you have to make it in negative form, and if the sentence is in negative form, then you have to change it in affirmative form. That means opposite, from positive sense to negative and negative sense to positive. Okay, you see, this is positive sense, that means affirmative, and you have to make it in negative and with interrogative, but without changing meaning. So here you see, this is past tense and there is no any auxiliary verb, any helping verb, any modal verb. So here who will help us? You know, for past tense, did help us. Okay, did is very kind. Here did helps us. Okay, and as this is affirmative, so you have to change it in negative, didn't. And after that you will write subject I, then notice, and you will not give here again past form, because here you see it is did. So from this we can understand this is past tense. So you will give here the base form of verb. Didn't I notice a very nice deer? Then you will write suddenly, as suddenly is an adverb, so you can give suddenly at the first or at the last. As this is interrogative sentence, so you will give here at last, and as this is interrogative sentence, so keep it mind, you have to give here of course an interrogation mark. Okay, if you do not give here the interrogation mark, then your number will be 0. Okay, so please keep it mind. If it is for interrogative sentence, then you have to give here an interrogation mark at last. Okay, next you see, it only remained sleeping. Here it, that means it may be deer or another thing. It only remained sleeping. It just sleep and sleep. It does nothing. It only sleep and sleep. Okay, you see your answer. Here this is, you have to make it negative. Okay, but without changing meaning. Always keep it mind, you have to make it negative but without changing meaning. You cannot tell it didn't sleep, remained sleeping. You cannot write it. So what you will write? It only remained sleeping. That means it did nothing. It did nothing. Is it correct? It did nothing. If you write if did nothing and after that you give full stop, then it will be false. Okay, because you know it remained sleeping. That means it was doing one thing and that thing is sleeping. So you have to refer here about sleeping. Okay, so it did nothing but one thing. Yes, but one thing. What is that one thing? Remained sleeping. Okay, remained sleeping. Do you understand everyone? Of course. And after that you say, what a sound sleep, it slept. This is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, because you see the sentence is starting with what a sound sleep, and after that you see an exclamation mark. That means this is a exclamatory sentence, and you have to transfer it in assertive sentence, normal sentence. Okay, here you see what a. If you see anywhere what a, then you have to give importance on adjective. And what is the adjective here? Adjective may be very, adjective may be great. Okay, and you see, as this is exclamatory sentence, so here you see at last the verb and subject. So now you have to transfer it in assertive sentence, and you know assertive sentence starts with subject. Here subject is it, then verb slept, it slept, and I have told you if you see what a, then you have to give an adjective. So now you will give adjective it slept, very, it slept a very sound sleep. How? Sound sleep, that means very comfortable sleep, a sleep in very peace. Okay, and last one, you see a deer is found nowhere. A deer is found nowhere. That means there is no deer in this world. But wait, here there is a but in the zoo now. But we can see the deer only in the zoo. Okay, we cannot see deer anywhere, any place, any forest, just only zoo. Okay, you have got your answer. You have to make it affirmative. This sentence is in negative sentence, and you have to make it affirmative sentence. So you will write down where we can see the deer, only zoo. So a deer is found where? Only in the zoo now. Without zoo, we cannot see deer anywhere. Yes, this is the thing. Okay, dear learners, here we are completing our class, and see you again in my next class. We see you. All the best.